About frogs. What about
They
frogs?
they sleep in the day and they wake up at night and find food.
Yeah.
And they're nocturnals.
They're what?
Nocturnals.
Nocturnal?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
That means they sleep in the day and get up in the night. And bats are nocturnals.
Yeah, bats are nocturnal. They hunt at night.
Mm-hmm.
What else is nocturnal? Can you think of something?
Sometimes rats
Yeah.
and squirrels.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're nocturnals.
Yeah.
But they find food in the day.
Yeah.
And they get up at night too.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
You know a lot about frogs, huh? And snails.
Uh-huh.
And what else? Turtles.
Uh-huh. And snakes.
And snakes.
Well, garden snakes.
You're so smart.
And fishies.
Yes, you like fishies, huh?
Yeah.
What else do you like?
And sharks.
Sharks, yeah. You like dinosaurs? What's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex.
A T-Rex. Do you remember what a scientist is called that searches for dinosaurs?
A dinosaur.
No, a paleontologist. Can you say that?
Paleontologist.
That sounds fun, huh? All right, it's time to go night-night, Kate.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
Night-night.
See?